Okay, I'm going to do it unbagging the stuff I got in the mail today. I got a really good deal on this stuff, so I hope I hope it ain't bad. It's well wrapped, at least. I might have to flatten that out somehow, I guess, in the heat. You'll see that on a future video of a painting somewhere. Let's see what I got. Got a mixture of beads. Hopefully I have enough of them to make different kinds of sets of earrings or something. We'll see later. There's a big one in there. There's all kinds. I don't know what that is. Probably not the highest quality beads, since it was a big bag, and they've probably been rolled around a little bit, but crystals, bead caps, and crystal, head pins. I needed those. Pearls. I wonder, I guess you'd call those pearls too. Crystals. Ooh, little sparkly crystals. Pearls. They're not real pearls, but resin thing for pendants. More crystals. Pearls. Well, I'm not disappointed. Sparkly. For what I gave for these, I am not disappointed. Some clasp. Some more big caps, crystals. Oh, mixed. Crystals. More head pins. Crystals. White. Ooh, I like those green ones. And I'm not much on green. Little butterflies. More crystals. Crystals. Different color of the pearl. They're glass pearls, but hey, they work for what I'm going to do with them. More crystal. Earring. Bindings. Head pins. Orange. Not much for orange, but that's a pretty color. Red. Jump rings. I should have got a bunch of them. More of the pearls. Oh! Look, a baby pair of round nose pliers. That's to get in them tight little corners. Oh, I did. I guess I did order more then. Oh, that's pretty. More eye pins. Little bead caps. I do like that. I don't know why. I don't like green that much. Little ends for your bracelets. Pearls. More head pins. Never can have enough head pins. Crystals. Clasp. Some nylon or some kind of cord. Some kind of cord. Crystals. Pearls. Spacers. More crystals. I'm not sure what those are. Some kind of little silver beads. I don't even remember getting them, but spacers. Ooh. Dark head pins. I don't know why this is in a separate bag. That's pretty. Put it back in there. I don't know why it's in a separate bag. Crystal. Now that I like. That's my favorite color there. Another turquoise looking. More clasp. Little black ones. A little heart mold. Clasp. Red beads. I like those. More head pins. Oh, little jump ring. Yeah. Oh, ear wires. Ear wires. More earring findings. More spacers. Big caps. Those are pretty. Wish I could have got a couple of each one. But now if I know which ones I want, I'll be able to reorder. Pearls. And they're glass. And I don't know what this is. Oh. Let's see what it is. Thought I had another one of these. Those are pretty. that's my little purchase I got. I got a really good deal on it. So I'd say I'm not disappointed. Because, yeah, I'm not disappointed. Alright, well, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye-bye. Okay, just a quick little, I don't know if y'all be able to see this. I'm going to open this up. I'm using the bottom of a paint. Well, there's two that. There's that big one. Can do a pendant out of that. Something big. It's unusual. We'll see how many pairs I can work out of this. And we might be making some earrings. Maybe a couple pendants. Okay. Thanks for watching.